Good, what is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey guys, see my Deadpool up there, one of my little heads I got. And when they had them things at Walmart, I was like, man, let me get one of these, and I like it. So I just decided to put it up. I ain't had nowhere to put it. I just decided to put it on top of the TV. It's just one of those things I like doing. I'm a Marvel guy. Pretty much, guys, I wanted to take some time out. I wanted to shoot this video because a lot of people have been asking me what are some of the things that I'm promoting as far as online goes. So I wanted to talk about one of the programs that I am promoting. You guys see me post a lot of videos about it. The reason that I love this program is because it teaches people the basics, and you can utilize the same training that you're getting out of this program and utilize it for any other business. So it doesn't matter what business that you promote. I'm also involved in educational platforms where when I recommend or when I refer others to this platform and they decide, hey, I can use this for my business as well, or I want to make $250 commission, so I want to be positioned, then they'll get positioned as well. So yes, I'm able to earn unlimited payments into my Stripe account. That is one of the methods that I like to receive payments with this company. But let me get to the bottom of it, okay? I am going to shoot another video. I'm going to kind of go a little more in deep a little bit later. I may not, because I've shot in so many videos about this, so you can definitely check them out, a lot of my previous videos. So just to kind of cut this straight to the point, okay, guys, we're going to talk about the Fearless Momma. Okay, the Fearless Momma is pretty much a mastermind where you're going to get a mastermind of training. We literally have masterminds every Monday, okay, for if you're involved in. So if you're involved in the company, we do a mastermind every Monday where all the members get together and we have a big Zoom meeting and we talk about what's working for business for businesses out here, okay? And then every Wednesday we do an opportunity Zoom. So on Mondays, the masterminds, they go back into. So on Mondays, our mastermind, those trainings, they go back into the members' back office. So if it's something that you can utilize to benefit your business, engagement, solo ads, things like that, we're going to have that information in the back office for you to check it out. Now, to cover the basics here, what you're going to learn with the Fearless Momma is that you're going to learn solo ads. So a lot of people don't know what solo ads is. They don't know how to get a link and send traffic to it. We're going to teach you how to do that. We're going to teach you how to do Facebook ads. We're going to teach you how to do Craigslist and I can't even, outside of Craigslist, but classified ads, okay? Sorry, I got brain freeze. Okay, so we're going to teach you about classified ads. We're also going to give you the ads to post. We're going to give you the email swipe. So even if you have an outside email tool system that you're using, we do provide email swipes in our Facebook group as well. And these are named some of the things. Also, we're going to teach you how to do video ads. So you can take your Facebook page and do a video ad or just do a regular ad. So again, Facebook ads, you're going to learn how to do that. And we're going to teach you how to leverage video marketing. Video content is king. That is the best marketing promotion. I mean, when it comes to marketing or making money online, the best way to get people to join your business is video. People want to know who they're joining. People just do not join programs. I mean, just off the top. So I'm going to be honest, man. I've seen it, but at least they've warmed up to the person emailing them, or they had some type of bridge page, or they have some good funnel where everything is being broke down and entice them to join. Guys, don't always expect, to spend traffic and get sales. You need to focus on building your list, okay? Build that list and then keep sending emails. Build that relationship and then people are going to join you. Don't be one of the people that'll friend request somebody. As soon as they accept your friend request, you're in their inbox. Hey man, I want to show you how to make money. You look desperate. So we're not going to teach you those things. We're going to teach you to step away from that. We're going to teach you you don't even have to post in Facebook groups. I post in Facebook groups because I do a lot of watch parties. I like video content. So the watch parties alert people, say, hey, Jay started a watch party in this group. So people are alerted to what I'm doing as opposed to me just posting. Okay, that's the only time I post in groups. Otherwise, I'm doing Facebook ads. I'm doing YouTube videos, and I'm buying traffic, and I'm sending links. I'm sending eyeballs to my traffic. Okay? So guys, I teach you how to do this. I teach you marketing systems. I teach you everything outside of this as well. Now, those are just some of the things that we're going to, just some of it. Guys, there's a lot more that you're going to learn with the Fearless Momma. That's just some of the stuff that's going to get you right to the point. To the point of making money. I'm sorry, guys. I got to pause my video. I got two of my little ones in and out. The oldest one with his mom. So I got the baby and my youngest boy, man. They like this when they get together. All right, but this is going to be one of the guaranteed ways that are going to get traffic and get sales to your business, and we're going to teach you these type of things. Also, guys, I tell you a way that you can generate 200. You can actually do a text message. Excuse me, a text message blast to over 200 people. So the more numbers you have per day, you can do the 200 blasts. So if you got 3 numbers, you can do 600. You can blast off to 600 people. You got 4 numbers. Think about it, okay? So these are people that are going to opt in your business. Opt in your capture page to check it out. Not everyone signs up, okay? You got to understand, you want to build your funnel, okay? Build your list up. Keep building a relationship. Sending videos like this. This is what's going to get people to join you, because they're going to feel like, okay, this person is real. I can dig it. I can rock with this person. But when you don't do that, when you don't build those relationships, people are not going to join you. People join people, not opportunities. I like telling people this, okay? Now, I get these people into my funnel, so now I'm able to build that relationship. And then eventually those leads turn into sales. So that's why people, I don't want to do sales, going to get sales right away. Stop looking for sales right away when these people don't even know you, okay? Get them warmed up to you first, then go for the kill. So you might be asking me, let me go back to the Facebook. I know a lot of people might be watching this that do this. Okay, when you inbox people, don't go for the kill. Build a relationship with people. Say, hey, nice to meet you. Go like a couple of their posts. Let them like a couple of your posts. And when you have things that are enticing, guess what? They're going to join you. Or later down the line, you say, hey, man, you're in the same type of, market that I'm in. Hey, me and my crew, we're making money. I just want to reach out to you and give you an opportunity to jump on board with us. If they say no, oh well. But guys, these are cold people that you're inboxing. As soon as you jump in my inbox, because I join people who I have relationships with. I join people that have joined me in programs. You can ask. I've joined some of the people that barely make sales. And I'm like, you know what? You join me, so I'm joining you. I don't join gurus all the time, because I know how to create sales funnels. I know how to generate traffic. I know how to make content. I don't need a guru to make funnels for me to do all that. If I choose to do that, that's because I want to be hands off. Okay? But if you're going to be into marketing, these are things that you're going to know. And you have to get in programs. You have to get training. You have to get educated to know these type of things. You want to have a community behind you. Okay? And that's what we're offering in the Fearless Momma. We're offering that community. We're offering everything that you need. Okay? We're offering the training. We're giving you the web. We're giving you the marketing system. If you don't have your own marketing system, which we don't, which Tammy doesn't even encourage if you don't. She's saying use it and utilize Aweber. So she's making it easier for the person that has a low budget and for the person that doesn't know much in marketing. She's literally making it easy. Then you have people that know what they're doing. They want to brand themselves. They want to put a capture page. They want to put a bridge page in the middle of their own funnel before they send them to the Fearless Momma sales letter or the Fearless Momma's bridge page. So they want them to say, hey, this is me. On the other end, I'm shooting videos. I'm telling you guys, hey, this is working. You guys will see my other posts. My other videos I made of me showing proof. So this is real. It's a one-time payment of $250. You don't have to worry about a reoccurring fee. If you guys do use Aweber, that's the only thing you need to worry about, because the Aweber is going to be for your message follow-up series. That's going to build the relationship. You guys know I use Conversion Pros and Builderall for a lot of my funnels and systems. So I have email marketing systems in programs. Email marketing. I guess I'm just tongue twisted right now. So pretty much, guys, I have my own email broadcast system inside of these programs. Okay, so since I have my own email broadcast system, email follow-up system in each one, I can build my capture pages for this particular program and send traffic there and let those emails follow up. So the same emails that I got from Fearless Momma, I can take those same emails and apply them into my own sequence. Okay, so guys, it's not hard, it's just different. Okay, so forgive me, guys, for getting tongue twisted tonight. I got my 2 little ones here. They got me nervous here. They're in the room together, so I'm a little nervous. So I just wanted to take some time out to shoot this video to give you some things to get started on, or when you join us, what to do. Lock into that back office and go through those trainings. You go through those trainings, you're gonna see consistent sales. You're gonna see consistent leads. You're gonna see consistent signups. You're gonna see sales. Just follow the training. The basic things that I just went over, as far as the classified ads, video marketing, YouTube and Facebook ads and stuff like that, that's gonna get leads to you right away. Literally. Also the SMS marketing. The actual gentleman who put together the Fearless Momma system also has that system to get you leads. So he want to make sure that you succeed. And I'm going to help you guys. You know, you lock in with me, you never made a dime online, then I'm here to help you. Reach out to me. I'm in my home office right now. Okay? I want you to reach out to me. I want us to talk if that is the case. So I literally have everything broke down for you. Once you're in, we can set up a time to talk, so we can set up your traffic strategies. It's about you being successful. 2019 is about others being successful. I don't want to just sign you up in a program. And unless you don't want to talk to me, I'm cool. But I want to get to know you as well. I want to know exactly what you have going on, because I want to make sure that you get the information to get to the places that you're trying to go as well. Okay, so if I can't get you there, then I'm damn sure going to help you get started. Okay, I'm gonna kickstart you. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna wrap this video on up. Click the link at the bottom. Check out the Fearless Momma, man. Check out some of my previous videos regarding the Fearless Momma, so you can see others getting paid out. You might even see some things flashing at the bottom here or on this video. It's people getting paid out, and I wanted you to see this for your own eyes, that this is real and this is something that you can definitely do. So this your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day. I'm out. Peace.